What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Rob. I'm back with another POV. Dang, that bitch sounds so good. Just put gas in that bitch. Gas, bro. Oh my gosh. I'm at this pump. At the gas station. It's $5 for premium, bro. Like, what the fuck? But this is it what it is, man. But as you can see from the quality, I'm on my phone. I went on my camera to my camera to come in so I get y'all better quality and all that. I see the channel growing. I see the channel growing a lot. I appreciate y'all love and support, but I had to give y'all an update what's going on. I found the shop. You know what? I'm on I don't want to say too much. I got 2 videos dropping. When that video drop, I explain everything why I haven't been posting. But it's one of my videos. I already said what's going on with the car, but I found a shop. I don't know. I found something we can work with. So yeah. I'm running late to work, but it is what it is. But how y'all boy been though, man? It been a while. As you can see, it been a while since I had last posted. You see if I had a check engine light, y'all see that in another video as well on why I have a check engine light. Also, or y'all can just look on my Instagram and see why I got check engine light. But damn, I miss posting, man. It like I just miss posting, like cars in my piece, and I'm just ready to get everything fixed, bro. I don't know. I'm just patient and waiting for this shit. There's a little scat pack right there. I ain't going nowhere. Sound like a RT though. But yeah, though. Yeah, to get y'all up to date what's going on and stuff like that. Oh, it was a cat? That shit sounds slow as hell. Oh, yeah, just pull out, gang. But yeah, though, once that video dropped, like I said, I'll explain everything in that video when it dropped. But until then, yeah, we just keep posting. I don't know what to tell you, so. Man, that day put, god damn. Packed the drivers. Alright, they're gonna be a short video because I'm almost there to the job, and I was just giving y'all a little quick update what's going on. I seen, like I said earlier in the video, I seen the channel growing a lot, and I appreciate that for y'all showing love, support. And, yeah, I'll catch y'all in this video.